Most AI tools in Unreal Engine 6 will not replace you. They will quietly replace the part of your workflow you already hate. And that's the part nobody says out loud. When people hear AI in Unreal Engine 6, they imagine auto-generated games, one-click levels, magic buttons. But that's not how Epic operates though. Epic doesn't ship sci-fi demos. They ship boring but reliable workflow upgrades. And after testing them to death in Fortnite. So let's talk about how AI actually fits into Unreal Engine 6 safely, realistically, no hype. So first up, Epic will not let AI touch creative authority. They never have and they won't start now. AI won't decide your art style. It won't design your compact. It won't write your stories. Instead, what it will do is remove friction. Think about most annoying parts of Unreal today. Come on, close your eyes. Renaming assets, fixing broken reference, cleaning up blueprints, generating boilerplate logic, finding performance bottleneck. Yeah, that's AI territory. In Unreal Engine 6, AI is far more likely to live inside the editor, not as a content generator, but as an assistant. A quiet one, the kind that suggests, not replaces. For example, blueprint suggestion based on intent, not just node search. Auto-generated setup code that you still review and modify. AI-assisted debugging that explain why something is broken, not just it broke. Performance analysis that points to real bottleneck instead of the guesswork. Notice the pattern here? AI handles translation, not creation, guys. I mean, Epic already think this way. Look at MetaHuman, look at Control Rig, look at UEFN. They reduce complexity without removing control. And Unreal Engine 6 will follow that philosophy. Now, the big fear is, will AI make solo devs irrelevant? No, of course not. It does the opposite. AI flattens the skill cliff. It doesn't erase mastery. It accelerates it. In Unreal Engine 6, a solo developer won't suddenly compete with AAA studio like today, but they will spend less time fighting the engine and more time actually building, and that's intentional. Also important, Epic will move slowly here, very slowly. Anything AI related will be tested in Fortnite, UEFN, or internal pipelines long before it reaches the core Unreal Engine 6. If it breaks trust, it doesn't ship, period. So no, Unreal Engine 6 won't be a AI powered Unreal. It will be Unreal with AI assisted workflows, subtle, optional, kill switch friendly. If you hate AI, you will be able to ignore most of it. If you like it, it will quietly save you hours of work, and that's the real future here. Unreal Engine 6 isn't about replacing developer, it's about removing the friction so your ideas reach the screen faster without compromising control. And that's not revolution, that's professional upgrade, and that's the only kind Epic actually ships.